It passes, which one? Elliptic. Elliptic passes through the center of both the earth and the sun. Just now I showed you. What is it? Sun. Oh, this sun and the way which who passes, earth passes, travels. This is center and this part also center. Okay. The earth axis is not perpendicular on the plane of the elliptic, but it is tilted at an angle of 66.5 degree to it. The axis is therefore inclined at the angle of 23.5. That already we said. In the course of earth movement, in the course of earth movement around the sun, the north pole remains inclined towards the sun for the part of the year, while the south pole is tilted away from it. For the remaining part of the year, the situation is reverse. Now we know what is it. Let me show you. And while sometime this north pole will be inclined towards the sun. Okay, understood. This part will be near, and so what will happen? What will happen? This part will get summer, and this part, and after some time, what will be the situation? This automatically another part will face towards the sun, and this part south pole. Okay, and this part will be the summer, and this part will be the winter. Okay, this is a reverse way it can come. Tilted axis and revolution of the earth create heat zones with its explained later in this. Because of this tilted zone, this earth what creates a heat zone that we will discuss in next this topic itself later. And the revolution of the earth. Now let us go to revolution of the earth. Revolution. The earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit. This motion together with the rotation make the earth environmental complex. What do you mean by earth environmental complex? Together with its movement, I mean both movement, like revolution and rotation, these together we call it environment complex. Okay, together with rotation and revolution we call it environment complex, this one. And now let us see characteristics of revolution. In the earth moves around the sun in an elliptical orbit with an average speed of 29.8 kilometer per second. That is what? 29.8 kilometer per second. Whatever that is about here how much? 1 lakh kilometer per hour. That is what? That very high speed it is. Okay, we can't imagine. Such a way it gets a revolving speed. And when the earth is closer to the sun, that is another matter. We know there are sometimes, or this is sun and earth, no, wait, sun, earth, and when earth comes here, then that will be earth will be near to the sun. Sometimes it will be far away from the sun. Okay, these are two positions. It is not exactly in same distance both sides. Closer to the sun, the gravitational pull makes the earth move faster. When earth reach closer or near to the sun, then its speed will increase, not decreasing. When it reaches away from the sun, then what will happen? Its speed get reduced, and the speed of revolution is not, that is why we can say so, the speed of revolution is not in a uniform. So the period taken by the earth to make one complex around the sun is, what is the time period to make one round? that is 365 days, 5 hour, 48 minute and 45.51 second. 45.51, that means 46. You imagine so like this. So, which is taken as 365 days as well as 6 hours. What is 365 days as well as next balance is 6 hours. But we are considering only 365 days. And rest 6 days, each after 6 into 4. What will be the thing? 24. 24 hours will take for one rotation, isn't it? So, we will take add after 4 years each. So, let us see, adjusted every 4 years into the complex. 6 hours are adjusted every 4 years into one complete day and added to the month of February. After every 4 months, or we will add this one 6 hours into 4, how much? 24. Then we will make it as a day and we will add it. That is why some year we get a leap year, and that time what will happen? The 29 days in February. So, that only in leap year we are counting 366 days in a year. And now let us go to next point, point number 4. The earth axis is always inclined to the orbital plane at an angle of 66.5 degree. The motion of earth is from west to east, that we know. Earth travels from west to east. So many times I said to you the same. And so, effects of the revolution. Seasonal changes can take place because of a revolution. The amount of heat that a place receives on the earth depends on the angle at which the sun's rays reach it. When the place receives vertical sun rays, the place gets hot, and this is because the amount of heat in the direct vertical rays concentrated on a small area. That already we have said, when the sun reaches near to the earth, then it falls vertical rays on a small area, but larger, whereas the same amount of heat is spread over a large area in the case of the oblique rays. Because of oblique rays, the same amount it will be spread over a large area. In the case of the oblique rays, we have the already noted that the tilt of the earth axis causes the season. What causes the season? Tilt of the earth axis. And now, revolution is an annual cycle. We know already we said it will take 365 days. So, it is an annual cycle. So, that is why the seasons are repeat year after year. If the June month here we get a summer season, next month, next year also same time we will have a summer season because of the revolution. Inclination of axis and seasonal change. Inclination of axis and seasonal changes. This subtopic onwards we will learn in next session. So, thank you and have a nice day.